You know those kind of festival musics and party musics that are without lyrics and they're just in the background while people dance and maybe even try to talk? I don't like them. But if you ever want to vlog with these in the background, you might still end up with copyright strikes. Unless you do what I'll show you in this video. Before we begin, however, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com, as it's the tool we're going to use for this video. Now note, this will only work if your speech in the video is clear and is not distorted by the music. If what you say is inaudible, the effect won't work. The same way, if the music in the background has lyrics as well, the effect either won't work or won't really be nice. We're going to use the Vocal Remover AI tool, which separates the vocals from the instrumentals. So what we strive for here is to have the festival music in the background function as instrumentals and your speech as vocals. So in the end, we're left with only you speaking. So it's best if you already have your edited video and only perform this on the useful bit rather than throwing the entire piece of footage into the Vocal Remover. So open the Vocal Remover tool, then import your video or audio file. The process will begin immediately. And when it's done, you'll see the instrumentals and the vocals here. If you listen to the previews, the instrumentals should only be the music in the background and the vocals, your speech, in the video. If it's not entirely clean, it's not that big of a deal. Export only the vocals. So now import this back to its spot in your video and add a different non-copyright background music. This will replace what was just removed. That is, if you want music in the background, but it will have blending the removed vocal onto the footage. Make sure that that piece of music is non-copyright material, but you can easily get non-copyright music from YouTube's audio library or from Pixabay as well.
So good. He's just too good. I love it. I used to feel tired. I'm not tired anymore, but I'm gonna come back and talk to any artist I want. But you know, it's a bit intimidating.
Alright, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and you'll be able to utilize these tips. If so, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.